Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the tag that's going around, and it's I recreated my first makeup tutorial video. And yeah, I haven't actually watched any of the videos, so I don't really know. I'm just doing it based on the titles that I've seen. Okay, going to my channel, and I actually kind of already picked out the video that I wanted to recreate. I'm not gonna do the very first, because the very first one was a get ready with me and I didn't talk, and I want to follow my talking tutorial. So the first talking one that I have is, I'm pretty sure, is the full on glam tutorial featuring the new ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. At the time it was new, and it's in the shade Limbo. I remember that I already got it out. So I'm going to watch it, and I'll have the video I'm watching in the corner. So let's see. I still like that intro. Oh.
Hey guys, we're starting off with spritzing our face with a NUDESTIX Plus. I haven't been using primer lately, so that is my quote-unquote primer for today.
Okay, so we prime. Okay, I guess we'll just, I'm moving fast. I did a fast forward. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is prime our skin with MAC Fix Plus. I'm taking my Fix Plus spray. Gonna let that sink in, I guess. I don't know. Did I say that?
Hey guys, we're starting off with spritzing our face with a NUDESTIX Plus.
No, I didn't say that. So maybe I don't let it sink in. I don't know. I didn't say. So then for foundation, what did I use? Okay, I used the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. So I guess I'll go get that really quick. This foundation is pretty old. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. Because I know it's been more than a year, and it says it expires in a year. But we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And I put it on with a foundation brush like this, so I'm gonna do the same thing. This is how I did it, right?
I'm using the Giorgio Armani.
So I applied this, and then looks like after I did this, I blended it in with a beauty blender. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't use the old foundation. This is not a good idea. My stomach is growling. I hope y'all hear that. So after I apply that, I'm going to just blend it in with a sponge. And I actually came in here to just do my makeup, and I'm using the Sigma 3D HD sponge. But this isn't the one that I used in the video. I used the actual beauty blender, but it'll work. So after we do that, now what, Taylor?
Then I'm going in with my Lancome powder pencil, which is my favorite, all-time favorite pencil for my brows, or tool for my
Okay, so for my brows, I use the Lancome powder pencil in the shade Brunette. So let's do that. And it looks like I just, what did I do? I outlined the top, the bottom, then the top. That's so bold. Just brush that out. This was in the summertime too, because it was in July 2015, almost 3 years later. That's one brow. I actually loved this brow pencil for a long time. It's still pretty good. It goes on like a powder, but it's the ease of a pencil. How am I looking? I don't know. Taylor, am I doing this right? And it doesn't look like I cleaned them up. So I can't even fix my situation with concealer. Okay, whatever. Okay, so it looks like the next thing I'm holding up is the soft ochre. Is that what it is?
Now I am priming my eyelids with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot.
Okay, yep. Got it right here. And it looks like I put it all the way up to my brow. I don't know about this, Taylor. I don't know about this, Taylor. I'm gonna move some of it over here because I put too much.
Today we're only using two eyeshadows in our crease. The first one is MAC Saddle.
Okay. I'm going in with this shade. It doesn't seem like I set my eyeshadow base. Maybe I did off camera, but I didn't say it. So we're just gonna go in with the Saddle shade with a blending brush. Looks like I'm bringing it.
And I'm making sure to bring the MAC Saddle shade all the way up to my brow bone.
Okay. So I'm taking it all the way up to my brow bone. I think I might have set this primer because it is like applying so patchy on top of soft ochre, and it doesn't look patchy in the video, so it's okay. We're following the tutorial, and since Taylor didn't say it, we can't do it. Unfortunately, that's the best I could do. Okay, so I added the shade Power Player from the Tartelette palette. So I took this shade Power Player and I applied this to the outer corner of the eye. Oh yeah, I went back and forth with both shades to make sure it was blended. And now I'm going to go in. I pointed to the shade Supermom, which is this shade right here, and I put this on the lid with a flat brush. And then let's go back in, kind of blend, because that's what I'm saying in the video.
Off camera, I went ahead and applied the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes.
Let's see if I still have those. I don't know. Okay, so I don't still have House of Lashes Iconics, but I do have Huda Beauty Sasha, which are very similar, like pretty much identical to the ones I used in the video. So I'm gonna apply these. And I did it off camera on here, so I guess I do the same thing now. So here's before, and this is after. Okay, so what did I do next? Let's see.
I'm going to highlight. I am blending that out with a Real Technique sculpting brush.
Oh, really, Taylor? Really? I don't want to do that. Okay, so I said I highlighted with the, I like this part, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, but I don't want to blend it in with the brush. But I gotta follow the tutorial the best way that I can. It's dirty. Ha! The brush is dirty. I can't. Ha ha. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it in with the sponge. I didn't want to do that no way. So just blending in the highlight that I only put underneath my eyes.
Set all of the places that we put our highlighting concealer along with all the places that we sweat and or get oily.
Okay.
So make sure that you have a loose powder. It could be this one or it could be another one.
Now we're gonna set, and I use the Laura Mercier powder, and I said set everywhere that you apply the highlighted concealer, so underneath the eyes and everywhere you sweat or get oily. So that takes care of everywhere else that I would normally put concealer to. Underneath my eyes, and I put a lot. I guess I'm baking in this video. Put it on my mustache area. Okay, and what else? Oh wait, go back. This video is so fast. Okay, and then I dusted it away. I actually used the blush brush from e.l.f., but it's blush on this. I'm gonna use the powder sweep from Sigma to dust it away. Okay, so I'm using a bronzer from ColourPop. So let me get that, if I still have it. Let's see. I got it. It is the Happy Hour blush from ColourPop, and I used it on a angled brush. And I said that if you look powdery, we're gonna fix it at the end, which I do look powdery, but you said we're gonna fix it, so we're just gonna wait and see. So let's see if that's the only place I put it.
With a bronzer, it doesn't matter which bronzer you use.
And I put it on my forehead too. Okay, now I'm taking the matte. Oh, that was before it hit pan. What am I doing? Wait a minute. I'm using an eyeshadow brush to put bronzer right. What? Why did I do that? Let me go back. Why did I do that? Okay, so we're gonna take the matte bronzer that has hit pan now. Back then it wasn't. And an eyeshadow brush? Like, are you kidding me? Okay, we're going to take some of that on this brush and cut it. I guess it's kind of clever. I don't know. And then I blended it up. No, I don't like that. Okay, I did go with a bigger brush because I'm thinking I have to go in with a bigger brush. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to blend this line out. Now what? I hope I don't do nothing else crazy. Let's see.
And now I'm highlighting with the Laura Geller highlighter.
Okay. So I'm gonna highlight now with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlights. It was new in this video. This is a good highlighter. Glad I picked this one. And what? And then I'm putting it on my Cupid's bow. I used to do that a lot. I don't do that much no more. Applying a little bit right above the arch on my brow. Ooh, that's too much. Okay, and then I use the different highlights for the brow bone highlight. I keep having to go get stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna get the, what did I use? The Mary Luminizer. That looks really good. Now what? The Anastasia Brow Gel to set my brows. Okay, we're almost done. Now what? Okay. Okay, so I put some powder underneath. So I wanted to make this nonsense line even sharper. And just kind of put it right there. Okay. I used the LA Girl Brown Gel Liner to my waterline. And then I'm holding up mascara now, but I don't have that mascara anymore, so I'm just gonna use, I guess I'll use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And then I'm dusting away the powder. I should have just did this instead of that eyeshadow brush thing that I did. I was gonna try to use something that I haven't used in a while, but I only have the lip liners that I always use. So let me wipe off this. Okay, so I made the lip line really sharp. I guess it's as sharp as I'm gonna get it. And then I went in with Limbo Ultra Matte Lip. Just let that dry a little bit.
I'm finishing up with putting a little Fix Plus.
I put more Fix Plus, I guess, to get rid of the powdery look. And then, is that it? Yeah, that's it. We made it to the end. So this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun recreating one of my first makeup tutorials. And yeah, make sure that you thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.